bagaimana kondisi terakhir semua pemain menjelang pertandingan besok dan apakah ada pemain inti yang pemain inti dari pertandingan sebelumnya yang harus absen?
Yes, I will decide after a training session because if we have some players, I have to see some players in a training session. We have the same problem with other player injured, Rico, Andritani, Brave, and Nori. I hope Rico will be able the next Saturday. This is a moment, the situation, but I will decide after training.
Oke, untuk Marco Motta, apakah kemenangan perdana di pertandingan sebelumnya berdampak positif untuk tim dan bagaimana persiapan Anda sendiri untuk pertandingan melawan Persita yang kemungkinan besar akan bangkit meraih kemenangan?
Yeah, selamat sore. I think was really important for us the last game. Was really important, especially for the mind of all of us because we wanted win the game. We prepared a lot to arrive at this result, but the last game already passed. We are focused in the next one, in the game of tomorrow. It is really important to continue in the same way and to keep another victory because win help to win always.
Ada pertanyaan dari Channel Indosport untuk Coach Angelo. Persija baru saja meraih kemenangan perdana di Liga. Untuk laga besok, bagaimana Coach menjaga momentum agar terus dalam trek kemenangan?
I think we have to continue this way. But we drew 3 games and 1 game won. But as I was saying in the past, now we have to think positive, and we work hard in training session. There are some things we have to improve a lot. We work for that, but of course we have it takes time. I don't have at the moment other players, but I go ahead and with this player I ask them to give their best on the pitch and training session. I don't know another way. We have to work. We keep going and go ahead. Be positive.
Oke, lanjut ke pertanyaan selanjutnya. Untuk Marco Motta, Persija 3 kali kebobolan setelah sempat unggul. Menurut kamu apa yang salah?
Yeah, is it true? We receive some goals and we have to change this situation. For sure, when you receive a goal, most of the times is because there are some mistakes. But I'm really confident. I always said that I believe a lot in my team. I believe in my coach. I believe in what we are doing, and I'm sure that the only way to react to work in silence and keep the win. This is what we did in the last match. This is what we have to do in the next one.
Oke, untuk Coach Angelo dari Indra Kastia, setelah menang kemarin, bagaimana Anda melihatkan Persija untuk bisa terus naik ke papan atas?
Yeah, I think we have to continue this way. Strong. We have, I think, more strong and I ask the players to give more, to give their best. Now the situation to improve our table is to continue to fight in every moment of the game, set up focus, keep focus and concentration. Of course, we know, we are aware our problem, our situation, but I don't want to say about mistakes because I think we know the mistakes, but what we do in positive. We create opportunity to score, we have score 2 goals, we mistake 2 goals. I think we have to continue this way. This way we have to improve, but if we want to go to reach a good table, we have to win, of course. But I think we are in the right way.
Baik, untuk Mota, Persija selalu main cukup malam. Sebagai pemain, apakah jadwal ini berpengaruh dengan stamina pemain karena harus berakhir di larut malam juga pertandingannya?
No, to be honest, it's not a problem. I really want to have this kind of problem. I mean that for me it's really normal. You know, in Europe we always more or less play at this time or in the afternoon, and the end of the day doesn't change. To be honest, I like to play in the evening, you know, and for me it's okay. I think also for the other players, as always said, in football there are not excuses. You know, we are professional. We have to go inside the field, do our best, fight, and try to win all the times.
Untuk Coach Angelo, Persita Tangerang cukup rajin bikin gol di setiap pertandingan. Hingga keempat ini mereka punya catatan sangat bagus mencetak gol. Apakah ini akan menjadi sebuah ancaman atau sorotan bagi Persija sendiri, Coach?
Every game is a tough game. Persita has some good and very interesting players. We respect them, but we have to think about our football, and we are ready to fight. We have to think this. I think every game is tough, and we have to go and play our best. This is the only thing I have to say today. But of course, we know their striker and their attack players. But I think if we consider we don't make mistake. I think we are good, and we have to continue to improve. This is only thing I have to say.
Oke, dari Rizky Jawa Pos, Coach Angelo, di pertandingan sebelumnya pemain muda Alpi Antonico memberikan kontribusi gol. Bagaimana Coach melihat perkembangan pemain muda yang ada di Persija saat ini?
Nico in particularly is increasing his performance. I think if we have to continue in this way, of course he has to learn a lot, to improve a lot. But he's a good guy. He listens me, and I trust in to Nico. He's a good guy. I think we are some very interesting young players, but we have to improve their skills and in training session.
Saya kira ini pertanyaan terakhir, Mas penerjemah. Persija dalam situasi jadwal yang padat, besok lawan Persita, kemudian Sabtu lawan Persiraja. Bagaimana Coach menyiasati situasi ini?
This is our second game in a week, and then we have the last on Saturday. I think now we have only to play. It's impossible train a lot. And then I think in the break of national team we have to work, and we have to recover the best condition. I think we do test and other things to improve our condition, physical condition.
Baik teman-teman, saya kira cukup untuk sesi pre-match press conference bersama Persija Jakarta. Terima kasih atas kehadiran teman-teman semuanya. Thank you very much, coach. Thank you very much, Marco Motta. Good luck
Sama-sama.
for tomorrow game. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
Waalaikumsalam.
The best. See you.
Terima kasih Kang Pepe, terima kasih semuanya.